Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Maria here. Today in this video, I will tell you how to calculate gestational age and EDD, that is estimated date of delivery, by using ultrasound. And you should know that this is the most accurate way to measure the gestational age and EDD. If your cycles are regular or not regular, if you know your LMP or not, this is the most accurate way. Because as the follicular phase is not constant, we exactly don't know when the ovulation has occurred. So the best way to calculate gestational age and EDD is by using ultrasound. During the first trimester, an ultrasound is done to calculate the gestational age and due date of the fetus, that is called the dating scan. That is done usually between 7 weeks and 12 weeks of pregnancy. And it is most accurate method of calculating gestational age and due date, even more than by measuring through last menstrual period, as most of the females measure the age of the fetus and due date by last menstrual period. But you have a record of dating scan that due date is more reliable. So first of all, we will see that how we can calculate the gestational age and due date by the dating scan. So up to 30 weeks and 6 days, the best way to measure gestational age is by using crown rump length. The crown is the head portion of the fetus and rump is the buttocks portion of the fetus. In order to calculate the gestational age by crown rump length, first turn the transducer to obtain the maximum fetal length, and make sure don't include the yolk sac. So measure starting from the crown, that is the head of the fetus, till the rump, that is the buttocks area of the fetus. You have to measure the distance between the crown till the rump. So here the crown rump length is 6.5 centimeter, and your ultrasound machine automatically will tell you the gestational age, that is 20 weeks 6 days, and according to this the EDD will be 16 December 2020, as we consider the gestational age as 40 weeks. Then from 14 weeks till 20 weeks, the best way to measure the gestational age of the fetus and then the EDD by using the head circumference, biparietal diameter and the femur length. This green line shows the head circumference and this blue line shows the biparietal diameter. So you can measure gestational age and EDD by using the head circumference or by the biparietal diameter. In order to calculate the gestational age by using the biparietal diameter, turn the transducer so that axial image can be viewed. So this is the axial image of the fetal skull, and the axial image includes the thalamus, choroids, falx cerebri and cavum septum pellucidum. So this is cavum septum pellucidum. So these are the landmarks. At least you should know how to visualize the choroids. These are the choroids, thalamus and the falx cerebri. This is the midline. This can be viewed as this. So this sea green dotted line is the head circumference, and this white line is showing the width of the fetal head, that is the biparietal diameter. Mostly in our hospitals we use biparietal diameter to measure the gestational age of the fetus. So it is important that start measuring from the outer table of the skull till the inner table of the skull. You will start drawing line from the outer table till the inner edge or the inner table of the fetal skull, and then you will measure the biparietal diameter. We can also measure the gestational age and then EDD accordingly by using the femur length. Femur length has basically three parts: the epiphysis, the metaphysis and the diaphysis. On ultrasound we have to calculate the length of diaphysis only, right? So we will include the diaphysis only. We will not include the projections from the femur length. So First, turn the transducer to obtain maximum femur length and then measure the shaft of the femur only. Do not include linear projections from the cartilage. Alright? So only we have to measure the shaft. So we will measure this area only on the ultrasound. As the femur length is 3.6 centimeter, the ultrasound machine will tell the gestational age, that is 21 weeks and 6 days. This is how you can use ultrasound to measure gestational age and then EDD accordingly. I hope this video will be informative for you. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Kindly like my video if you have liked it and share it.